We're going to show you how to add, edit, or change your goals in Share and Perform. First, I'm logged in as our test employee in our test company, and I'm going to scroll down in the employee portal, again at aee.myasolve.com or on the mobile app. Scroll down inside of the employee portal under the talent management menu to click on Share and Perform. Clicking on this, if it's enabled for your company, will redirect you and sign you onto your employee record in Share and Perform where all of the goals are housed. So you can see I'm now logged in as a test employee. And really for goals, we're going to go under the performance menu, and there is a goals menu here. Hover over this and then click on goals. You'll see that I have a couple of goals already in place. And if this is the case for you, just to quickly show you how you can manage these goals from here. You have the option to check in on a goal, which is just the language of how you want to, check in throughout the year. So let's say we're going to update this and then leave a comment and submit. And then my overall progress for that goal now is updated. And if you click on the goal, you can see the most recent comments for this goal. So as you're working on your goals, if they're already created, make sure to come here and update them. To create a goal from scratch, you're going to do the same thing. Go into the goals menu, click on goals, and then on the top right of the page, click on create goal. Here is where you're going to create your goal from scratch. So you're going to name your goal. You can add additional notes about this goal if you would like. You also have the option to attach a file. If you've been working on something separate, you want to just tag onto this goal, you can attach this here. Then you need to add a start date and an end date. Let's just say end of the quarter. And on top of that, you have a notify feature where you can have the system send you an email notification to come in and check in on the goal. It's just a reminder, really, but you can set the frequency for this from weekly all the way down to every 6 months and anything in between. So let's just say weekly for this. Lastly, you have two different types of check-in types. First one is percentage, which means you're just trying to get to 100% on a goal, or a quantity check-in, meaning you need to reach a certain number before the goal is considered complete. 1,000, 500, whatever the number is, you could set that goal as a quantity. Lastly, you're going to click the assign and assign this to yourself. If you are a supervisor, you have the option to assign it to someone else at this point as well. And then you're going to click save. Now we have our goal in place. And again, this is the screen we've already been to where we can check in on our goal. We also have options to, add discussion for the goal or add a key result if there's a specific result along the way you want to highlight. And then if you have or if your company has organization goals that they have set up, you can align this goal to an organizational goal. Again, that's more down to your company administrator setting that up in advance, and you can align it to that. And then lastly, the attachments for the goal are here on the right side. So you'll be able to see any attachments that you add along the way. If you need to go back and edit your goal for any reason, if turned on, you can edit your goal here and kind of go back to the screen to edit, something like the notifications, and then that will update your goal.